Hello everybody, today I'll be talking to you about how to do adding fractions for beginners. You might see this as a terrifying thing, but when you look at it and you understand it, it's so easy. So let's go into the video. I'm going to be showing you two different strategies. The first strategy is adding common numbers with the same denominator at the bottom, and it's a very easy way. The second strategy is a clock strategy, so basically like this, and you divide the parts. So let's get started into the video. So let's get started with the first strategy. I'm going to use 1/4 plus 3/4. There's a simple way to do this and one that's more complex, but with bigger numbers it will help you. I'm going to show you the both. The first way is just adding. If you have the same denominator, you just have to add 1 plus 3. And the answer would give you... So the answer would be 4/4. Because 1 plus 3 is 4. And you leave the denominator the same. So this is the answer. It could also be 1/2, because 4/4 is equivalent to 1/2, because there's 4 pieces of a cake and 4 pieces are eaten. So this equals 1/2. So now I'm gonna be using the strategy that I was talking to you before, the one about another way that could be easier also. So I'm gonna use the same numbers, but I'm gonna explain how to do it. Because if you have bigger numbers, the thing of common denominator, the answer is 1 plus 3, wouldn't work. So this is how you do it. You have to do 4 times 4. So let's write it down here, 4 times 4. And that would equal 16. So you have to put 2, because they're both the new denominators. Then you do 1 times 4, so you do like this. 1 times 4. And then you do 4 times 3. 4 times 3, which is 12. So we're going to write this one here and this one here. So the answer is 12 here and 4 here. So now you have to add them. 16 over 16. That gives you the same answer as before, because the answer would be 1/2. If you simplify this, I'm going to show you how to simplify. You would have to do the half of this. That would be 8. And if you want to simplify even more to see the real answer, like we got before, you could do 4/4, and that will prove that the other answer is correct. So this is how you use it. So now I'm going to be doing the clock strategy. The clock strategy is like this, and it's an easy strategy to understand how it works. And I'm going to be using this calculation, 1/4 plus 3/4. So let's see how it works. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to do the clock, and as it says 1/4 and 3/4, they are both quarters basically. So we have to split the clock into quarters. What I'm first going to do is I'm going to do 1/4, and I'm going to do it in blue. As there's 4 quarters, we have to do only 1. So 1 would be this. So I'm going to highlight in blue. So now I'm going to be doing 3/4, and I'm going to do it in green. So let's imagine the clock. Let's imagine this is not here. So let's do 3/4. So this is 4/4. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. So as you can see, the answer gives you the whole clock. That means that it will be 1/2. Or if you also think of it another way, as there's 4 pieces, as we said before, It will be 4 pieces down, so there's 4 pieces. And how many are covered? 4. So the answer could be either 4/4 or 1/2. Thanks for watching, and I hope now you understand how to do adding fractions and you understand them better. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos about math. If you want me to do any videos in particular, you can ask in the comments down below and I'll be sure to do them.